Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Rythm Bot on Discord. So for you to add Rythm Bot on Discord, go to a browser, click open a new tab, and you type in Rythm Bot. Okay, this is it here. Rythm Bot Discord. Click on it, then you should have something like this on your home screen. Then this is the official website for the Rythm Discord bot. Then click on it. Once you click on it, then it should take you down here. Then once you have something like this, ignore this login option. Click on the invite, which is what we're gonna do. Click on this invite this bot. So click on the invite this bot, give you some few minutes to load. Okay, good. Alright, so then we're going to add the server. Then you click on this drop down, then you add the server. Should be having the option. You see this is my server, which is Nema Media. Then add the server. To add the server, then you click on authorize. Okay, good. Turn it on. Into free file. Okay, good. Right now, reason why I can't invite this bot to my Discord right now is because I haven't verified my email address, and that is why this server is not invite. So for you to do something like this, you have to make sure your email is verified on Discord. Once your email is verified on your Discord, then you can now come back and activate this or invite this bot to your Discord channel, your Discord server. So once you are verified, then you click on the authorize. Then you'll be asked to take a check to confirm if you are a human or you are a robot. Once you surpass the test, then you click on invite. Then you should go back to your Discord account. Then you click on server and see add the server. Once you click on add the server, then you're gonna see the Discord or the Rythm invite bot somewhere in this angle. Once you click on it, then you can start making use of the bot, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.